to know. It's like, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kennedishianne, and today I'm going to be giving y'all this nice, easy, baddie on a budget, beginner friendly, quick weave tutorial with hair from the beauty supply store. Like, y'all see me running my fingers through it? Like, yes. Ooh. Yes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and how I did this quick weave, make sure to keep watching this video. All right, y'all. So first, it's literally 2 a.m. So excuse my crustiness and just tiredness, but yeah, we're gonna get into this quick weave video. So first, you just need a black cap, and if you have a pencil, that would be ideal so that you can kind of see where it starts and ends, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to, yeah, I don't see any, so I'm gonna just have to wing it and just kind of know where my part is. So yeah, bear with me because last time I did a quick weave, it did not turn out good at all. I took it out immediately, so we're gonna try again. And the hair that I'm using is Organique Ultra, I think. Oh, Shake and Go Organic Body Wave. So yeah, first you just wanna, when you do the wefts, you just kind of wanna measure it to your head already. So I'm starting right where the cap starts and taking it around. And I'm using this hair glue. It dries pretty quick, so y'all can see my setup. But this is my setup. So I would advise using something that you can lay down, but honestly, the glue dries fast and you can peel it off, so you'll be fine. Alright, and I was gonna say, just start with the longest layers first because the length that it come in is naturally layered. So just start long to short. It says, huh? What's up? So we just gotta add those tracks to right here up until here. Okay, y'all. This is after I put all the hair in. It looks so good. I'm gonna just say, pray for me, y'all, because if I cut this and it spread and it come off my hair, I'm gonna cry. Like, it's 3 a.m. and I don't have time. Am I professional? Yes, I know. But it's giving professional. It's giving not too shabby. I am so happy. Because now I just gotta blend my hair. Like, I can do that part. Oh, this looks so good. I think I'm up. So this is how I did it. When I left my hair out, I wanted enough to where I could do a middle part if I wanted to, and it still covered the track, or a deep side part, and I think I want a side part. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to press out my leave out. I use this on my leave out. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But y'all, it's 3:30 and it's clearly time to go to bed because I was using the bathroom and my flat iron was in the sink because, like, when I went to go grab it, I was like, let me use the bathroom real quick, and I just put it in the sink. And when I was done using the bathroom and went to wash my hands, I'm looking at the flat iron, like I'm seeing me looking at the flat iron, still about to turn the sink on. Like, girl, like, if you're sleepy, just go to bed. What? All right, okay. So this is the end of the tutorial, and I really hope that y'all learned something and got some new tips on how to do a quick weave. And I promise y'all, it's beginner friendly. Just try it. It's super easy. And this hair is only $20, so this is the perfect hair to try to practice on. So but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you know, you can DM me and let me know, and I really will help y'all get through this quick weave, because y'all, I'm baddie on a budget for the summer, period. And do keep in mind, it is synthetic, so you will have some tangles, like running your fingers through it. But honestly, if I didn't run my fingers through it as much as I'm doing it, like, I would not be experiencing this. But it's still cute. So yes, until next time, bye y'all.